Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is Sunday the 31st, end of January of 2021. So I'll be walking you through a stock that I think I should put out to your radar and for you to have it in your watch list. Social Capital Hemisphere 5. So it's IPOE, and if anybody has an idea who Chamath is, it's one of his SPACs. He intends to have a SPAC from letter A to Z. So this is E, and the company they're hoping to put this through is SoFi, Social Finance. So I'll walk you through this talk. I'm planning to do a call option, leap call on this, and hopefully start buying some shares, but I'll keep you posted. But I wanted you to kind of have an idea of a stock that is going to rally up, in my opinion, based on everything that's happening. Right now, it closed at 26.39. It was up on Friday by 23.96. After hours, we see a 4.97. And you see for the week, they were up 18%. For the month, 111%. And for 3 months, 139. So you can see when they started like any SPAC around $10, dipped a little bit, started gaining some steam, and then started rallying. And you can see the volume is pretty decent. I expect next week the volume to be even more, just because most people are planning to leave Robinhood, and SoFi you can buy shares there. The moment I don't think you can do options, but I'll show you. I just created an account, and I'll link referral link on this video, so that if you want, you can also go and open an account. I believe they're giving $50 worth of shares when you deposit $1,000, and also you get a free stock unless that change. So you can see the 52-week high is 26.97, and when you go down, this is just a blank check, but we'll talk a little bit about it. Social Capital Hemisphere Holding Corp 5 operates as a blank check company which engages in seeking a merger, share exchange, asset acquisitions, share purchase, recognition, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. The company was founded on July 10, 2020, and is headquartered in Palo Alto, California. The listed name for IPOE Capital Hemisphere Holding Corp V. So Chamath Palihapitiya is the CEO, and we'll go through and check out SoFi. So this is my new account in SoFi. So if you don't know what SoFi does, they actually very popular with student loan, mortgages, credit cards, and you can actually go and check what they're offering. You can see personal loan, you can do a refinance loan, a student loan, buy a home or refi, and you can also have a credit card like I said earlier, and you can do investing, and you can have an account with them to have some money, just like a regular bank account. And everything right now is online. So why they are trying to diversify, because they were pretty heavy in student loan, and I think they branched out based on how they saw the demand coming up, and I think they made the right call. So I will be talking a little bit about it, but if you invest in IPOE, then you'll be buying part of this SoFi. So this stock, I'm betting next week we'll see some uptake in the price, and I'll keep you posted as soon as I make the call option and start having this on your watch list. Quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. If you like this content for the video, just give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to the channel, and be green, be safe. I'll see you in the next one.